It's break time cards. Time for a break. Today we have a box of Topps Chrome Basketball. So you can unwrap 5 refractors per value box on average. They call these value boxes. You can also get the pink and short print pink basketball refractors. Let's see. There are 4 cards per pack, 7 packs per box. I don't know if you can get autos out of here or not. So we're going to go ahead and see what we got. So we do have the 7 packs of 4 cards per pack. Well, if we had any indication if you could get autos out of here, then that was just hinted at right there. We'll get to that in a second. Let's get through these first. There's Dwayne Wade. So we do have an auto, and it is of Brandon Clarke from, is that Memphis? I'm not familiar with Mr. Clarke here. But there you go. The Brandon Clarke auto. Certified auto. It is a sticker auto. It's a very cool card, though. Well, thank you, Mr. Clarke. Appreciate that. Put that to the side. So to answer my question, yes, you can get autos out of the blaster packs or blaster boxes. There's a Lenny Wilkens green logo fractor. There's Bill Walton. Bill Walton's a guy I wish I could have seen play when he was younger, because you hear some of the stories about when he was in college and how great he was. You know, I didn't really get to see a lot of that. There's a sudden impact Chet Holmgren. And there's the pink Leonard Miller rookie card. There's Nick Smith Jr. on the rookie. A film study of Marcus Smart. And a pink of Grant Hill. There's the Admiral, David Robinson. Anthony Black, a rookie. And Noah Clowney on the rookie refractor there. That's pretty sweet. There's a Maxwell Lewis rookie card. There's Dirk. And looks like we got the green logo fractor for Wembanyama. So that's cool. It's a nice addition to the auto here. You know, I was going to say, when I started this video, that I'd been holding on to this box for a while, just for, I don't know, a rainy day or something. And I thought, well, I better open it in case there's like a autograph redemption in there, and you never know. So I didn't have a redemption. I had a autograph just on the card there, a sticker auto, if you will. So, but still glad I opened it. There's the Jet Howard rookie. This is our last pack. Thanks for every like, every follow, every subscribe. Derek Lively, the second rookie card. And we have John Stockton on the green. Wrapping it up. So there you go, Brandon Clark. Another one to add to the autograph collection. As far as autos that I've opened this year, there was one in the G League. I opened a box of G League over the summertime. That had an auto in it from, oh, I couldn't remember his name. But go back, check out the video. It was definitely a pretty cool break. But there you go. The last blaster box, or any box that matter, pack that I'll be opening of Topps Chrome Basketball, barring any kind of, I don't know, finding one on the side of the road or something. I don't know. There you go. It is break time cards. Break time is over.